All the three are playing. So they have become very good friends. Hi Simba. Hi Pippi. Hey Simba. Good girl. Good boys. So this is their breakfast. Dry fruits, green chili, pellets, and boiled sprouts, etc. And coriander leaves. Hi Simba. Hello. 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 The last two babies, Chippy and Guppy, they are very sweet birds. They doesn't harm anyone. And Simba also, even though she is a big bird, she is very sweet. So all the three are very sweet birds. But these tiny ones are little bit scared. Not scared, they are just on the safer side, just in case if Simba playfully just bites them, they should not get hurt because they are so tiny. Hey, Pippi. Pippi Kutti. Puppy Kutti. Puppy Kutti. Puppy Kutti. வா நீ சாப்பிடுவா அதெல்லாம். They always like to hang around me. Simba too wants to, so she is coming down, but I am a bit scared because I have noticed she playfully chews and bites the skin. Simba.